Now listen, this is chapter number 6, exercise 6.3, part number 7. Already 6 part we have uploaded. Application of derivative 6.3, part number 7. Question number 23 we are moving. Question number 23 and all important questions. Okay. See that, prove that volume of largest cone. See, in the beginning itself the keyword is there. See that word large. Large means what I said? Maximum. So where they are telling maximum, minimum, that one what we have to do? Differentiate. That one what we have to do? Differentiate. You differentiate what is that? Volume of a cone. Okay. That can be inscribed in a sphere. Okay. That cone can be inscribed in a sphere, it seems. So that sphere you have to draw. There is a sphere. There is a sphere we have. In the sphere there is a what pa? Cone. Okay, inside the sphere there is a cone. So let me take cone. Inside there is a cone, they said. So like this. Okay, listen carefully. If you able to draw, you draw, or else I will draw my own figure. Just a circle I will draw. With help of circle you can easily understand. Okay. Now see, cone you have to draw. That's it. So this is center point of the circle. This is the radius of the cone, and height of the cone and all will go later. Listen carefully. What is that? What they gave here? Largest, okay, inscribed in a sphere. Cone can be inscribed in a sphere, okay. Sphere of radius capital R. So that sphere radius they gave capital radius. Sphere radius, what they said, ma, capital R. Then cone radius I will take small radius. Small letter radius I will take. Okay. That is inscribed sphere of radius is 8 by 27 of the volume of sphere. So what we have to prove now? To prove volume of largest cone means volume of cone is 8 by 27 volume of sphere. Volume of a sphere. This is we have to prove, and that's it. And we have to say volume of cone is maximum. Okay, volume of cone is what, ma? Maximum. And volume of cone is maximum. So two things we have to say. Volume of cone maximum, and one more, volume of cone equal to 8 by 27 times of volume of a sphere. These two things we have to prove. So what we have at present in our hand, that we'll take one by one. Okay. Listen pa. What is that? Height of the cone you should take. Am I right? Height of the cone you should take. That I am taking as a h. Capital, sorry, small h I will take. H. Okay. H. And here you can draw what pa? Radius of the cone. If you want to draw this also you can draw. That will be capital R. Right, fine. Now listen. Shall we go pa? Right. What is that? Volume of cone is large, they said. Volume of cone is large na. Cone you have to differentiate. So that volume of cone what ma? Volume of cone formula. Volume of a cone. Volume of cone, that is V I am taking, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, small r for cone only, no? Right, h also, right, fine. That's it. So, but here we have two unknown things. One r square, one more one h. So, any one only you have to keep it as a variable, other one you have to take as a constant. What is the extra point is given? What is the extra point is given? Nothing it. So, we'll try to use or else Pythagoras theorem. We'll try to use Pythagoras theorem or similar triangle, which is possible, that I will go. Suppose similar triangle if you are trying now, this is A, B, C, this middle point D I am taking now. See that ACD you take. ACD is a big triangle you can take. Okay. In that ACD big triangle if you are taking now, ACD, this will be 90 and R will be coming, that is H. Small triangle if you take now, means center point O if you take, OCD if you take, OCD if you take, OCD if you take, C angle same and 90 same. So as per WA criterion this will be similar, but DC will be R. Okay, this will be capital radius. Anything else? No idea. By using a similar triangle, it's not yet coming. Or Pythagoras theorem possible na? Then what about this one? This one we should find. OD equal to what? You must know. What is that? OA will be R pa. OA will be capital R na. OD will be H minus R. Yes, you can use R else. Yeah. What is that? H minus R. Okay, with the help of this, if you go, you will be getting similar triangle you can use, or Pythagoras you can use. Which is better, da? Similar or Pythagoras, da? Pythagoras you feeling better, then you take Pythagoras. Pythagoras now you take this R OBD H minus R. This is radius. Use Pythagoras now. Square of the hypotenuse, which is equal to R square plus H minus R whole square. Which is easy to find, that you find ra. R square easy to find. Have you noticed small R square easy to find, that you go then R square minus H minus R the whole square is equal to R square. This one you can use. Apply the formula. R square minus of H square plus R square minus 2 times HR equal to R square. When you apply the negative inside na, minus R H square minus R square plus 2 times HR is equal to R square. So these two will be cancelled. Then what I have 2 times HR minus R H square equal to R square. So this is my radius square. This is my what pa? Radius square. So that instead of R square you can use this 1 by 3 pi H into R square what na? 2 times H capital R minus H square. Minus what, my dear? H square. Now listen carefully. Here H is the variable pa. Listen, H is the variable. So one H we have outside, that you take multiple inside. So that 1 by 3 pi H when you multiply inside, 2 R H square minus H square into H na, H cube you will be getting. Children listen, here R is constant. Capital R is what ma? Constant. H is the variable. Children listen, this is, see, H is the variable I am taking. Sir, I don't want H, sir, I will go small R is the variable na. You have to simplify this A minus B whole square. You should find what is H. Then if you apply in terms of small radius also you can go. That is our wish. Okay, even if you want to try with a similar triangle also you may try. Not an issue. Understand? Be careful when you go. This is volume. Now you can differentiate what we are getting. Let's see. Differentiate with respect to H. Okay. Then V dash is equal to 1 by 3 pi is a multiply constant. 2 times R into H square when you differentiate. What you will be getting? 2 times H minus H cube when you differentiate. What is that? 3 times H square. And people you may have doubt. Listen. People you may have doubt. Sir, how you said capital R is constant, sir? People you may have doubt. Listen carefully. See the variable. R we have in one place. H we have in two places. Okay. So if you are taking two places as a variable na, you will be getting something. One place R, capital R if you are taking variable na, when you differentiate capital R, it will become 1. This will become 0. H value if you find, it will come 0. H value if you get 0, cone cannot be formed. cone cannot be formed. Be careful which one you want to take as a constant in this. Understand? Be careful. Right. Now you can simplify this. What I'm getting 1 by 3 pi 2 2s are 4 r h minus 3 times h square. Let it be answer number 1. This is v dash. Now put what is that? V dash equal to 0 to find h value. Put v dash is equal to 0 to find what actually h value. 1 by 3 pi into 4 times capital R h minus 3 times h square equal to 0. Multiplying 1 by 3 pi when you send opposite divide. So 0 divided anything 0. 4 times r h minus 3 times h square when you send opposite na plus 3 times h square you will be getting. So that h if we cancel, actually h you should not cancel, children. Variable and all you don't cancel. You take h outside or else. H you take outside. Okay, h if I'm taking outside, 4 times r minus 3 times h which is equal to 0. Here h is equal to 0 is coming, and 4 times r minus 3 times h is equal to 0. 4 times r which is equal to 3 times h, then 4 times r divided by 3 which is equal to h. This is my required value of h. This h equal to 0 not possible. Why? H equal to 0 na cone is not formed again. Okay. You understand? H equal to 0 not possible. So h equal to 0 is rejected. H equal to 0 rejected. See, that is what capital R I didn't take as a variable. Okay. Again h equal to 0 if you take na cone not formed, don't forget. Understand? Sir, this diagram and remaining portion everything you take in the since portion, sir. Okay, diagram everything you take in the since portion. H value we got it. After getting h value, what we have to do, pa? We have to say maximum cone volume is maximum. For this, what do you need? What do you need, children? Double derivative you need. Okay, so differentiate 1. Differentiate 1. So that differentiate 1, so that v double dash is equal to 1 by 3 pi 1 by 3 pi into 4 capital R constant, let it be as it is, and h value when you differentiate 1, okay, minus 3 constant, let it be, into h square when you differentiate 2h you will be getting. What you will be getting? 2 times h. That's it. Okay, 2 times h you getting. Right, now you simplify this, pa. What I am getting? 1 by 3 pi 4 times r minus 6h you will be getting. H value we have here 4r by 3. Okay, 4 capital R divided by 3 is the h value. So when I substitute, what I am getting? 1 time, how many time? 2. So that what I am getting? See once again, 1 by 3 pi 4 times r minus 2 into 4, 8 times r. So when you subtract both, what I am getting, pa? Minus 4 times r. Minus na, what you can say? Less than 0. Okay, what you can say? Less than 0. So v double dash, guys, v double dash if you get less than 0, what it mean? Maximum. Maximum means largest cone is the meaning. Okay, then h is equal to 4r divided by 3 is maxima. What you can say? Maxima, that is cone volume is maximum, or volume of cone is maximum. Volume of cone is maximum. That's it. Okay, now one result I gave. Volume of cone is maximum. One result. This one we got it. Volume of cone is maximum, I said. Then what I want to say? Volume of cone equal to 8 by 27 times of volume of sphere you want to bring. Can I have the first page? I need a first page, children. Can I have the first page? Right. But I need this result also. I need this one. The star point I need. Give a v equal to star. Give a v equal to star. Equation star you give. Name you give equation star. Okay, have you gave? Can I simplify now? Right. First page I need. Can I have the first page? Guys, first page I need. Can I have? Right. So listen, pa. So see, I'm going to apply in a star. What is star, children? Have you remember star point is what? V is equal to 1 by 3 pi into what is the star? Can, yeah, 2r square, 2r h is 2r square is not there. 2r h square minus h cube. So this you don't write. This you don't write. But this you don't write. For my comfortable, I'm taking this. Now what is that? Star implies V is equal to, V means what is this V? This is what V? Volume of cone. What V this is? Volume of cone only I'm taking as a V. Okay. So that volume of cone, that is V, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi 2 times R. What is the H value we have? Take the H value, substitute in the question. What is that? 4 times R divided by 3 whole square minus 4 by R divided by 3 whole cube. That's it. Simplify, you will be getting the required. So volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi into 2 times R. When you apply the power, 4 square 16, R square divided by 3 square 9 minus 4 cube 64, R cube, okay, divided by 3 cube na 27. That's it. Listen pa, here only 9 is there. So 27 if you make na, it is very easy to go. Or else what we can do? 27 you make better. Multiply 3, divide 3. Then it will be easy na. That is what. Now you multiply what we have inside. What is that? 3 into 16 na 48. 48 into 2 na 96 apa. 96. R into R square, R cube. What I am getting pa? R cube. Okay. Divided by 27 minus, here 64 R cube is there as it is. 64 R cube is there as it is. Okay. Have you understand? Now you subtract the both. 96 minus 64, what I am getting pa? 6 minus 4 na 2, 9 minus 6 na 3, divided by 27 R cube. Children, what do you want? We need 8 by 27. We need what, my dear? 8 by 27. So what do you do? From the numerator 8, from denominator 27 you take outside. Okay, you take outside, you will be getting the required. So 8 by 27 if you take outside na, balance what we have? From 32 if you take 8, what is the balance pa? 4. Okay, that will be 4, and R cube we have in numerator. Denominator whole 27 I have taken outside, and remaining outside we have 1 by 3 pi. That you take inside. Then divide 3 pi. So what you will say, this 4 by 3 pi R cube na? What is 4 by 3 pi R cube? That is volume of sphere. What it is called? So that 8 by 27 volume of a sphere we got it. Volume of a sphere. And left side what we have? Volume of a cone. That is they asked to bring. We got it. Have you understand, children? I hope you understand. This is important question I said. They will be asking in the 5 mark. Take a notes properly, okay? Next question will go 24 if you complete this. Quick. And this question, if you are trying in a similar triangle now, you will not get for Raja. See, we thought it will be coming. See, A, D, C na 90, okay. If you taking O, C, D na D okay, but OCD, ACD angle not same. Have you noticed? See, ACD na we take all the angle. OCD na only few from ACD it is taking. So it never come in this similar triangle. Then Pythagoras is best for this. Okay. Girl side is anyone writing? Boy side? Done. Okay. Next question number 24. Question number 24. So this is also like after 23, 24, 25 and all important. Listen. Raja, listen. Show that right circular cone. Least they give. Least means what? Minimum. That is the keyword. Okay. Least, greatest, maximum, minimum and all if they are given now. That is you want to differentiate, I said. So right circular cone of least curved surface area. So which one you want to differentiate then? Curved surface area of cone you want to differentiate. Okay. So that CSA of a cone you want to differentiate. CSA that I'll take area. Sorry, CSA means A I'll take area. Pi R L. This one you want to differentiate. Understand? And given volume. Given in the sense what? We can use to convert into single variable. Okay. Volume is given. Volume as given volume. Then just volume we have to use. Okay. Volume. Then volume of cone what pa? Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. These things volume of cone we have to use. This one we have to differentiate. Listen carefully. Next, right circular cone as altitude. Altitude equal to. So what you have to prove or what you have to show that now? Listen. Show that right circular cone as altitude. Altitude means what ma? Height. Altitude means what my dear? Height. Okay. So that the cone height which is equal to root 2 times means multiply root 2 times radius of the base. This is also we have to prove. So h is equal to root 2 times r you have to prove and CSA is least. That is also you have to say. Least means minimum. So two things you have to say. CSA of cone is least and what is the CSA of cone I will mention. CSA of cone is least as well as h is equal to 2 times of root 2 times of r. Two things you have to do here. Okay. Okay. We'll go step by step. Right. Diagram na just cone. That's it. Just cone we have. That's it. Nothing else here. Cone h we have radius. This is h and L we have here. Understand? Right. Fine. Listen, we'll start. Oh, there is a problem here. Have you noticed it? Given they give volume, but in volume we have H, R. But here no H here, but R is there, not an issue. So there is a problem. If you go, you will be getting 3 variable. R is 1 variable, L is 1 variable, H is 1 variable. 2 variable itself, it is a headache. 3 variable and all, not possible. So that what we can go, L will L formula by using Pythagoras, H square plus R square. L will convert into HR. Okay, we'll remove the L then. We'll remove the L. Then pi R into what is the that is L square, but here L. No, don't go root and all, you square here. Don't go root value, square here. Then A square is equal to what you will be getting? Pi square R square L square. That is better. Understand? Are you understand? Then L you can use. R will go. L is better. L will use. What is the L Pi square R square into L value what H square plus R square. Understand? And now we got a 2 variable. This 2 variable also you want to convert into single variable. Single variable how you will be? From here you can find. Then this 3 pi, when you send opposite, what I'm getting? 3 times v. Pi when you send opposite, na, divide pi. R square also if you bring, na, r square and equal to h. Is it okay? Sir, listen, sir. 3 pi r square I sent opposite. H alone we have that side. Is it okay? Children, is it okay? See, this is I'm going to use now. Yeah. Apply then. Pi square r square into h value, that is h, but here we have h square. It's okay. We'll square this. We'll square and apply. 3 square 9. V square na. Pi when you square, pi square. R square already it is in square. Again if you square, r power 4 plus r square. Is it okay? Is it okay? Now take cross multiply. Okay, take cross multiply. What I'm getting here? Pi square r square 9 times v square plus pi square r power 4 into r square na, r power 6 whole divided by pi square r power 4. Now when you cancel pi square you can cancel. R square, aha, one more r square is there. What we can give? Separately shall we give? Or pi square not cancelled. Okay, give r square separately again. A dig for this. So 9 v square divided by r square plus pi square r power 6 r square if you divide na, r power 4 is remaining. So this is what ma a square. Ma this a square will take some name. What will take? In terms of r is there na. R is a variable here. So what will give the name? F will give f of r. Okay. Since you mentioned that a is minimum. Raja, a means area. Okay. Area is minimum. Then area square is also minimum, because some people you may think that, sir, after square answer will change or what, sir? No, it will not change. Only for checking minimum maximum. Okay, right. So this is the f we have to differentiate. This is f we have to differentiate. Now differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to r. So what is the variable here? Sorry, v is constant. V is constant. Why v is constant? They said volume is given. Given one you should take as a constant, already we have discussed. Okay. So that v is constant. Right. Now when I differentiate, what I am getting? F dash, which is equal to 9 times v square into 1 by r square. When you differentiate, what you will be getting? Minus 2 divided by r cube plus pi square, let it be r power 4. When you differentiate, 4 r cube you will be getting. Okay, that's it. Now let's simplify this. Minus 18 v square, v and r be careful, and r cube plus what is that? 4 times pi square r cube here also, and this is what pa f dash. Now this will take answer number 1. Now put equal to 0. Put equal to 0 to find a r value. Put what is that? F dash is equal to 0 to find r. That is minus 18 v square divided by r cube plus 4 pi square r cube equal to 0. Minus term, when you send opposite, this will be positive. So that 4 pi square r cube, which is equal to 18 v square divided by r cube. So bring the cube opposite, and you can cancel anything possible now. 2 2s are 9 2s are, that's it. Remaining nothing. R cube, when you bring this side now, cube into cube, r power 6 you will be getting. Okay, r power 6, let it be, or else cube into cube. Okay, r power 6 power you can add 9 times v square, 2 pi square. When you send opposite, divide 2 times pi square. Okay, now apply square root on both sides. When you apply square root, this will be r cube is equal to, Here you will be getting 9 times v square divided by 2 times pi square, which is equal to 9 root value 3, v square root value v, pi square root value pi, but root 2 we don't have, let it be as it is. This is r cube. This is what pa? R cube. Okay. If you need r value na, surely 3v divided by root 2 pi whole power 1 by 3. You can write like this if you want. This is the r value. Let it be as it is. So this is the what pa? R value. Now let's go to say what is that minimum. R and V and all, be careful, don't confuse R and V. That's it. Now we have to say least in a double derivative surely we need. Which one you have to differentiate? 1. 1 you have to differentiate. I will take next page. Can I go to next page, ba? Can I erase the first page? Okay. I'll rub the first page. So I need double derivative, ba? I need double derivative so that differentiate 1 f double derivative which is equal to what I am getting then minus 18 v square, let it be 1 by r cube. When you differentiate, what you will be getting? Minus 3 divided by r power 4. Okay. Plus pi 4 pi r square, let it be as it is. R cube, when you differentiate, 3r square you will be getting. 3r square you will be getting. Okay. Now let's go. So minus into minus plus 18 3s are 8 3s are 24, remaining 2 54 v square divided by r power 4 plus 4 3s are 12 pi square into r square. Ma, listen carefully. What is that? R value here we have. Take the r value, substitute there. When you substitute, what I am getting, you just see. This is f double derivative. F double derivative of what is that? R, which is equal to 54 v square divided by what is the r value? 3v, 3 times v divided by root 2 times r. Sorry, r not pi. Okay. Whole power 1 by 3. Here we have power 4 now. 4 by 3 you will be getting. Power 4 by 3 plus 12 into pi square now. R value 3 times v divided by root 2 into pi. Here square is there. There we have a 1 by 3. That means 2 by 3 you will be getting. Whatever children, this is what? Positive. So greater than 0 you can say. 54 I wrote 55. Good. 54 here. 54 it seems. So that which is what? Greater than 0. See, both are positive, which is what, my dear? See, don't want to simplify. Just greater than 0. Greater than 0, now what we can say that R value? Minima you have to say. What you have to say, pa? Minima. So let's rub this page also. Then finally, what you have to write here? Then R is equal to 3 times v divided by root 2 pi whole power 1 by 3 is minima. Minima means what, ma? Cone curved surface area is the least. That is cone CSA is least. That is they asked to say. Okay. After said cone curved surface area is least, what we have to bring, pa? This answer you have to bring. Okay. This answer you have to bring. Right, fine. So what you got R value, that you take, substitute in the star point. This you take star point, Raja. This you take star point. So what I am getting, that you can apply there. What is that? 3 times v divided by pi pi into r square equal to h value. H value we don't know, but oh, we got r value only. Ma, wait, we got r value only. Then first this result you take. Let's simplify. What we are getting? Let's see. Ma, take this result, pa. Take the result. R value what? R value, that is r cube is what? R cube equal 3 times v divided by root 2 into pi. This is we are getting, am right? Now what is the volume? What is the volume? Here we have that volume you substitute, pa. Surely it will cancel something. Volume you substitute here. So that volume equal to what, ma? R cube is equal to 3 by root 2 pi. Volume v. V value what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Now cancel. What all possible to cancel? Cancel. 3 cancel. Pi cancel. R square and r cube cancel. Now 1 will be there. Then what is the remaining da? Root 2 you send opposite. So that root 2 into r, which is equal to remaining here h. I hope you got it. Yes. Hence proved. Okay. Hence proved. Ma, be careful how we are doing everything. Be careful. Have you seen the page how we have done? Do it properly. Question number 24 over. Those who completed, write next question. Number 25. Have you done, pa? Do it fast. Completed, pa? By side, have you done, ma? Do it fast. Question number 25 will go, ma. Question number 25, also one of the important question. Listen. Show that semi-vertical angle. Listen carefully. Semi-vertical angle of a cone. So there is a cone first. There is a cone. Okay. There is a cone. Semi-vertical angle. This here what is making that is vertical angle, because from there we have to draw one vertical line. This is the vertical angle. Semi means half. So either this or that. Any one you take. This will be R. Okay, here H, slant height L. Understand? So that semi-vertical angle of the maximum volume and given is a slant height, it seems, is this one. Listen. Then to show semi-vertical angle is this one. Means theta is equal to tan inverse root 2 you have to prove. Okay, this one you have to say. Then cone of maximum volume. Cone has maximum volume. So what is that? Cone. Volume of cone is maximum. Okay. Volume of cone is maximum. That is also you have to say. Next, that's it. This is the asking. Okay, shall we go, pa? So here we'll start. Let theta is equal to semi-vertical angle. Semi-vertical angle. Okay, that's it. And what they said, volume of cone is maximum. Maximum, na, that is you have to differentiate. Then volume of cone V, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. R and h we have as a variable, but any one only you have to take. So again I am going to use the Pythagoras theorem here. L square is equal to h square plus r square. With the help of this we can find what? Here what they said given, pa? Slant height is given. Then slant height you must use. Slant height you must bring in the volume. Then L square minus H square is equal to R square. Okay, R square is easy to find because here square na, here also square is there. So that I am finding R square. Okay, this everything you make in the since portion. Now the V I am writing 1 by 3 pi. What is that R square value? L square minus H square into H. The outside H you take multiply inside. So 1 by 3 pi into L square H minus H cube. This is my V. Now differentiate with respect to H. Differentiate with respect to H. So what is that? V dash is equal to 1 by 3 pi. L square is a constant. L square constant because given slant height. Whatever is mentioned in given, that you have to take as a constant. So that L square is constant. L square is constant. So L square let it be as it is. H derivative what na? 1 minus H cube derivative what na? 3 times H square. Now try to simplify this. So what I am getting? 1 by 3 pi L square minus 3 times H square. This is V dash. Answer number 1. Now put equal to 0 to find H value. So what I am getting? Put V dash is equal to 0. So that 1 by 3 pi L square minus 3 times H square equal to 0. 1 by 3 pi multiply value when you send opposite divide. 0 divide anything 0. So that L square minus 3 times H square equal to 0. L square is equal to plus 3 times H square. I need H only. So that L square divided by 3 is equal to H square. Either H square or H value. So H value if we need na, square root of L square. Children listen. Square root of L square divided by 3 is equal to H. So that L square root value L, but root 3 let it be as it is. That is the required value of H. So either you can use H square or H. These are that. Any one. Okay. Any one you can use. Right. The H value is a maxima or minima, that you have to check na. So that we should what is the differentiate? One more time. So the differentiate 1 means this one you have to differentiate one more time. Differentiate. So that V double dash is equal to 1 by 3 pi multiply constant, let it be. L square already I said constant. So constant derivative 0 minus 3 is there as it is. That is also multiply constant, let it be. H square derivative what not? 2H. What I am getting? 2 times H. Sorry. Minus 3. H square derivative 2 times H. Understand? That's it. Now simplify this. What I am getting? Denominator, numerator 3 cancel. Then what I am getting? Minus 2 times H pi. Okay. This is V double dash. Now H value we have substitute here. So V double dash at H is equal to L by root 3 na. What I am getting? Minus 2 times pi into H value L divided by root 3, which is less than 0. That means then what is that? H is equal to L divided by root 3 is maxima. So H is maxima na. What is that? Cone is maximum value. That is volume of cone. Volume of cone is maximum. Is maximum. Okay. Then what we have to prove? Theta is equal to this one you have to prove. Theta equal to this one you have to bring. Okay. Shall we try this, Raja? Yeah. Can I read the first page? Okay, I'm using whatever we got. This one I'm taking. I have what is that? L divided by root 3, which is equal to H. Children, listen. Don't waste your time. First, see the diagram. Angle theta I have here. Theta opposite is called opposite. 90 opposite is called hypotenuse. Then rest of the side is called what pa? Adjacent. Then H is called adjacent here. H is adjacent. L you send opposite. Then 1 divided by root 3, which is equal to H divided by L. For H is what I said. H is what I said in the diagram. Adjacent. L what I said in the diagram. Hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse na. What it is meaning ma? Cos theta. What it meaning pa? Cos theta. Cos theta equal to we have 1 by root 3. But I need not cos, tan. Okay. So draw the diagram. Simple diagram you draw. This is theta. Here 90. So that this is adjacent na. Adjacent value what? 1. Hypotenuse value what? Root 3. Then I need opposite. Opposite you should find. To find tan. Then use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. If you are using Pythagoras theorem na, root 3 whole square is equal to 1 square plus opposite square. Root 3 square 3. 1 square 1 when you bring opposite 1 equal to opposite square. 3 minus 1 is 2. Opposite square when you send opposite root 2. So that opposite value what I got pa? Root 2. This implies tan theta only I need. Tan theta equal to what we can say? Opposite divided by adjacent you can say. What is opposite pa? Root 2. Now only we got here. Root 2. Okay. Divided by adjacent what ma? Adjacent na 1. Adjacent na 1. So that 1. So this is called what? Tan theta is equal to root 2 by 1 we can say root 2. Then theta is equal to tan inverse root 2. That is they asked to prove. Yes, we have done. Hence proved. Are you understand children? Okay.